me bake today? Huh? Are you gonna help me bake today? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Sitting so pretty. Yes. Hi guys, Monica with the Auburn Hill Homestead here on a beautiful winter day in Northeast Kansas. And what better time to make homemade bread for dinner than on a chilly winter's night. I'm gonna go ahead and do a savory rosemary einkorn bread. A lot of people don't know what einkorn flour is. Einkorn wheat is the oldest species known to scientists, and it is the most primitive form of wheat out there. It only has 14 chromosomes compared to 42 that the more common wheat species have. So for a lot of people with wheat intolerances, that makes it, they're able to handle the einkorn better than they are the conventional wheat from today's society. Einkorn wheat berries also have higher protein content and more antioxidants and are just all around more easily digestible for all humans. So there's just a lot of great reasons out there to use them. But in addition to that, our household loves the taste and texture. My husband is not a big bread person, but he absolutely loves einkorn bread. So I try to go ahead and make it at least once a week with our meals for dinner. So but let's go ahead and get started, and we'll get baking a loaf of einkorn bread for the day. This bread would go perfect with the winter night chili recipe I posted a few weeks back. I'll go ahead and link it here and also in the show notes. If you guys have liked what you've seen, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. And I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Bye.